Good Wednesday morning to you, ever. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. Looking at a little bit of precipitation working into the region and mixed precipitation types. Some of this is virga, not quite getting into the Champlain Valley yet, but it's going to be a close call, and the later part, the last half of the morning commute could be affected. I'm thinking just barren wet roads as temperatures are relatively warm. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com. They represent 802 Toyota, Twin Cities Subaru, 802 Honda, all located off of Exit 7 on Interstate 89. Current temperatures you can see here. Temperature is as warm as 48 degrees in Burlington this hour. It's come down just a little bit, and we're just starting to see the frontal action, the wind shift here, starting to get into the northern part of the Champlain Valley with a little bit of a fall in temperature. It is snowing again at Saranac Lake, and the temperature has been down to 32. So colder air advection is working toward our region. It'll produce a little bit of snow across our local higher terrain. Let's take a look at the latest modeling. And looking at the HRRR model, high resolution rapid refresh, you can see this is about 9 o'clock this morning. Oh, by the way, a couple different shots of moisture. This is not going to affect Vermont. It's going to slide just by to the east of us. It's some pretty heavy rain, even some thunderstorms mixed into the south and east of our region over the Atlantic Ocean. No issues for us, however. Again, we got to watch this narrow band. You can see that it's mostly rain showers across the Champlain Valley. In the upper elevations, as you get into north central Vermont, northeast Kingdom, you can see a little bit of snow across the local higher terrain. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's 3. And then some snow shower activity, some squalls perhaps in the northern part of the northern tier areas of Vermont. And then that's about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and everything kind of scatters out, and that's the end of the road there. So there could be a little bit of a dusting left over, but we got a little bit of a dance we have to watch in our local higher terrain. Yeah, so once again, we're seeing that mixed precipitation type just getting in toward the Champlain Valley. The temperatures are pretty warm, but temperatures are in the process of falling, getting a little bit colder. And when this hits the Green Mountains, it'll interact with some wet snow, slushy accumulations, mainly over our local higher terrain. And high resolution 1 kilometer Velco Wharf model shows a little bit of snowfall. You can see it in our local higher terrain, but also eastern parts of the Champlain Valley. We're talking about greater than a tenth, less than a half inch here, a couple spots close to a half inch, and then the mountains interact. And again, it shows us very nicely. That's 1 o'clock this afternoon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see just a dusting in some of our local areas up in the northern part of Vermont, northern tier, north central Vermont, northeast Kingdom. That's it from here. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.